the space exploration journey through the solar system. Hello, space explorers! Are you ready for an amazing journey? Today, we're going to blast off and explore our solar system. Get your space helmets on, because we're going to visit some incredible planets, from sizzling hot Mercury all the way to chilly Neptune. Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy, but super fun, ride. 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Whoosh! There goes our spaceship zooming away from Earth. Look back, explorers, there's our beautiful, blue planet getting smaller as we travel farther. Earth is our home, but now it's time to see some of our amazing neighbors. Mercury, the hot spot. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, which means it's super hot during the day. But at night, it can get super cold too. This little planet is full of craters from space rocks that crashed into it. Say goodbye, Mercury, we're zooming to our next destination. Venus, the bright and fiery planet. Next up, Venus. Look at those thick clouds around it. They make Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Those clouds are full of gases that trap heat like a big, warm blanket. Venus is bright, fiery, and very mysterious. Earth, our home planet. Whoa! Look, it's Earth again. Remember, Earth is special because it has just the right mix of everything we need to live: water, air, and land. Earth is like the Goldilocks planet, not too hot, not too cold, just right. Mars, the red planet. Hold on tight, we're visiting Mars, the red planet. Mars is famous for its rusty red color. Some people even call it Earth's little brother. Mars has some of the tallest mountains and deepest valleys in the solar system. Someday, humans might even walk on Mars and explore its dusty plains and rocks. Jupiter, the giant planet. Whoa! Look at the size of this planet. Jupiter is huge, it's the biggest planet in our solar system. See that big red spot? That's actually a giant storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. Jupiter has lots of moons, too, over 75 of them. It's like its own mini solar system. Saturn, the ring beauty. Next, we're at Saturn. Isn't it beautiful? Saturn is famous for its rings, made up of ice, dust, and rock. Some pieces are as small as a pebble, and others are as big as a house. Saturn is light enough to float in water if there were a space pool big enough. Uranus, the sideways planet. Next up, Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus spins on its side, which makes it really unique. It's also a chilly place, covered in icy clouds. Look closely, and you'll see it has rings, too. They're not as big as Saturn's, but they're still pretty cool. Neptune, the windy blue planet. And here we are, the last planet in our journey, Neptune. Look at that beautiful blue color. Neptune is super windy and has some of the fastest winds in the solar system. If you ever visited, you'd need a really warm space suit because it's one of the coldest planets. Pluto, the dwarf planet. Before we head home, let's say hi to a tiny friend, Pluto. Pluto isn't considered a full planet anymore, but it's a dwarf planet way out here on the edge of our solar system. Pluto's so small and icy, and it takes a very long time to orbit the Sun. Returning to Earth. Wow, explorers, what an incredible journey! We saw hot planets, icy planets, giant planets, and even a dwarf planet. But it's time to head back to our home planet, Earth. Hold tight, we're landing soon. Thank you for joining me on this space adventure. Remember, the solar system is full of wonders, and there's always more to discover. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming big.